What's up guys? Exchange Gaming here. So, hindi tayo nakapaglaro kahapon. Pero, we're gonna play right now. So, busy lang kahapon. So, ayan. 6961, 6961. So, let's try to win some 10 units today. So, let's go, let's go. Let's try to win some units today. So, let's go. Let's try this one. Let us try this one. So, tira tayo dito. So, we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait for our chance. We're just gonna wait for our chance. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're just gonna wait for our chance. Then we're gonna bet. So, ayan nga pala guys, strategy lang tayo. Pag natalo yung strategy, stop, stop loss is the best. So, we should have our stop loss so that we won't bleed so much. So, our stop loss is when we hit our 5 bullets. If we lose our 5 bullets, we stop. Okay. We still don't have a trigger, so we still just wait for them to show. Let's just wait for the trigger to show, guys. We don't need to rush things. Okay, that's our trigger. So our unit is 150 per unit. 150 per unit. Let's try 150 per unit. So this is, yes, this was at 15. So now we're now 17. So 17 ngayon. So 150 per units. I think we lost. So we lost that one. So we double our bet. So let's double our bet. It's just gonna get 10 units. Only 10 units. And then we're done. We got an 8. So we won that one. Now again. Let's try again. We got 150 per unit. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm at 2, 7. So it's a tie. Again. So we're gonna try again. We have 135 right in our bag. So another unit for 150 pesos per unit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 9. We got a 9. So we won again. So let's try again. Let's try again for 150 per unit. He has only 3, but I have 0. He has only 1, so we won again. So we'll go 1 unit again for 150 pesos. So we already got 427 pesos. Our target is 1.5. 1.5. So let's go, let's go. It's a 9 again. So another win for me. So let's go again. Let's roll again. 570. He has a knight, a 9, so we lost. We lost that bet. So again, we can recover. I think we just need 10 units and then we go out. Okay. Get a 7. It's a strong hand. Okay. We won again. So the thing is, the strategy is the best. So if we have a strategy, let's stick to our strategy and win more than we lost on the casino. That's it, guys. That's the magic. I have a 5, he have a 6, he have... Oh, I still win. Ha, I reduce but still win. That's very nice of you, guy. That's very nice of you, my friend. So 870. We're close, we're close. We are closing in to our target. So now let's go again. Another bet for 1 unit. Sa 5, he has a 0. I have 7, he have 9. We lost, we lost, we lost. We lost that one. Again. So again, I thought I gonna win that one because I have a 7, but we lost. Unfortunately, we lost. So we're gonna bet 300 for. We're gonna bet. We have a 4, he have a 1, have 6, he have 7. So we lost again. So again, we lost that time. I have 7, he have 9. Oh no, we are having a hard time. I think we're having a hard time here. If we lost, we had 7 there, but he had 9. He have, he have 6. He have 0. Okay, we won. We won that time. So let's go, let's go. Let's keep rolling. So let's keep rolling. We have 967 in our bag. So 1-1 is the next. Then 1-1, 1-250, 1-4, then 1-5. And there we go. We have 6. I have 8. So we lost that time. Okay, we go to the banker. Let's go. That's dangerous. That's very dangerous. That's very dangerous. So we're gonna go 6 each. Okay, we won. Again, 150. Oh, I lost again. Lost again that time. So again, that's gonna bet 150, 2 units on the banker side. So we're gonna bet 2 units on the banker side. Let's go, let's go. I'm an 8, so I won. Natural 8. As I approach the 1000, the 10 unit mark, so it's getting bare, getting excited to approach the 10 unit mark. Okay, again, that's our W for us. So maybe it's gonna be our last unit. So let's try to win this one. So last unit for the win. For the win. Take us home. Country road. That's there you go. So I think I won that. So 1-5. So I got 10 units. So I'm gonna end our session for today. That's all guys. Sa mga gusto maglaro dito sa Pilipinas, I'll put the link on the comment section. Yun gan guys. Thank you guys sa panonood. So please like and subscribe. May NBA tayo mamaya. So let's go, let's go. I'm out. Withdraw ko 1K.